Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your Bluesky account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bluesky application on your device and proceed forward with your username or your email address and your password if you haven't logged in already. Once you are logged in, you will end up within your home page, from which if you wish to change your email address, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. From here, tap on Settings and then tap on Account. You will now be taken into your account settings page. Now underneath your email, you will see the change email option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will now be asked to enter your new email address. Just type in your desired new email address and tap on Request Change. You will now be asked to enter the security code that has been sent to your previous email address. So check within the inbox of your original email address and you will find this verification code. Just type in this code within the verification box and then tap on Confirm Change. You will now be told that your email has been updated. However, you will still need to verify this new email address. Tap on Verify New Email and you can then tap on Send Confirmation Email. Now once again, check within the inbox of your new email address and you will find another confirmation code. Once again, enter this code within the given box and then tap on Confirm. And now, your newly entered email address has been verified successfully as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on the Bluesky application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.